Hey, I'm Gervasi, and in this short video, I want to show you one interesting way that you can identify idle resources in AWS by using the Kentik platform. So I'll open up Data Explorer and choose AWS as my data source. Then from my dimensions, which are basically all of my filters, I'll select Logging Status, Observing VPC ID, and the Observing region. Now, the logging status message in AWS is a way for us to identify if there's any data actually going to or from an ENI. So this is one way that we could see if a resource that is up and running is actually doing anything, at least from a network perspective. So here we see some no data messages, and that tells us that these resources have no network activity. So what I'll do is I'll use one of them to create a more specific filter for just this message and then get rid of all the rest. And we can also adjust our time frame to see how long any of these resources have been idle. So I'll change that to 30 days, and that gives us an idea of what's been sitting idle for an extended period of time. And here at the top, we see our bits per second. It's just a horizontal line at 0. And that makes sense because the no data message tells us that no data was sent or received. And with that, we can then share this information with our cloud team by sending the link from here. We can also send it via email, or we can export the information as well. And our cloud team can then look into these resources further and make an informed decision about what they want to do with it, whether it's shutting it down or reallocating those resources. For more information, visit kentik.com/cloud or reach out to your local Kentik representative.